Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hairstyle ideas. So here we have another modern hair transformation. Now this particular stylist does a lot of shaggy cuts, bobs. Oh, looks like he did like a wolf cut for this one. Very nice. And this is a very popular hairstyle that we're seeing these days, all thanks to TikTok. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with long, dark hair. Wow, so she decided to switch things up with this beautiful chestnut brown. Very nice. This color looks absolutely amazing on her. And then we see another long to short transformation. Beautiful pixie cut with a side swept bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. I really like the shape on this particular pixie style. And she has a lot of hair here that she can play around with when it comes to the styling options as well. Very cool. So here's that same stylist back again. This time he's doing a 90s grunge inspired cuts. So this is another one of those styles that is trending right now because of TikTok. Very cute. We're seeing a lot of the flipped up under curl making a return as well. And this is also known as the Charlotte haircut. A bit of a shag meets mullet style. And then we have another long to short with the pixie style. Ooh, look at that color. Beautiful asymmetrical shape for the pixie. Bangs to frame out the face, longer on one side versus the other. Beautifully done. So we move into this curly makeover. So the reason why you don't want to use serum on curls is that your hair will become dry and brittle. So the stylist is going to have to do a cut here. A little bit of shaping. And the stylist herself, she has some beautiful curly hair. I really like the stylist technique, the way she gets the color that is best for the client. Very nice. And look at the result, a beautiful head full of curly strands. Very nice. And her hair looks so much healthier. Looks like a completely different head full of hair. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.